Hi everyone, this is Heidi. I'm here to talk about the VSSL Nest Pourover coffee kit today. I'm just gonna open this bad boy up. I'm gonna show you the VSSL Java G25 Hand Grinder that fits inside the coffee kit. So let's get ready to open up the VSSL Nest Pourover coffee kit. First of all, comes with 2 mug.
Hey, so slight correction. This part, we didn't find out until filming that this is also a mug. The top part comes off and it becomes like a little Tim Hortons cup. So it actually comes with 3 mugs instead of 2. Back to the video.
And then when you open it up again, you see that you have your brewer. So all you have to do is put a filter in and then put it on one of your mug and then you brew. It's as easy as that. And from now, you can have a specialty coffee on the go. So now, once you're done enjoying your coffee, you can just close it back up, same way as you opened it up. You close the bottom, you put on the top, you make sure that the arrows are aligned, make sure that it's all sealed up. Same thing for the second mug on top. And that's it. So a great addition to this is that you can actually put in the Java G25 hand grinder inside, and it's super compact. What I love about this hand grinder is that when you open it, you actually have to turn this little screw like this. So you now have your handle. When you push down at the top, that's how you actually to put your beans in. And then the bottom, when you open it up, you can actually find the handle in here. So you just unscrew this bad boy on again. And then when you're ready to grind, all you have to do is just pop this on and then you start grinding. It's like as easy as that. You put in your brewer, the hand grinder in, close it, you twist everything, and you can also, to make sure that everything is closed and sealed, you can bottle the little arrows here. Same thing for the bottom, and then just close it up. So you have everything you need for your outdoors activities all in one kit. So if you're someone that loves specialty coffee but also loves the outdoors, this is the perfect item for you. You can basically bring it anywhere, whether it's on your camping trip, on a hiking trip, or really like any type of traveling. It is made perfectly for that. VSSL has a ton of quality products and you can't go wrong purchasing any of their gear. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this product, make sure to check out the VSSL Nest Pourover coffee kit on our website, coffee.ca. Same thing as well for the Java G25 hand grinder. And make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.